Assistant Professor of Anatomy and Embryology in King Khalid University, Saudi Arabia. I joined the Chennai Fertility Center for hands-on training 2 weeks time. I started here all the procedures concerning the assisted reproduction techniques and embryology, starting from semen analysis, semen preparation, semen freezing, and also checking their motility and morphology. Then we moved on to the oocyte procedures, starting from screening, identification, and picking up oocytes. And then we prepare the oocytes for the next step, which is ICSI or IVF. So we did that denudation, and then we finalize our hands-on training on ICSI. So we tried the two ICSI, Nurshigi and RI. We completed all the procedures concerning these two devices. Let me send my sincere thanks and gratitude to the all team of Institute of Chennai Fertility Center for Embryology, especially Dr. Thomas, Dr. Krishna, and all the team here.